If you're watching this right now, it means life has just handed you another chance. A chance to rise, to reset, and to reconnect with the version of yourself you thought time had stolen. And let me tell you something straight from the research labs of Harvard Medical School even. After 60, the human body has a remarkable ability to repair, rebuild, and regain strength. Your age is not a wall. It's not a limit. It's simply a number that tells your story, not your future. You've seen how Japanese elders in their 70 seconds, 80 seconds, even 90 seconds move with balance, stability, and surprising flexibility. Doctors at Mayo Clinic say the #1 reason seniors lose mobility isn't age, it's inactivity. That means the moment you begin moving consistently, your body starts working for you again. You don't have to move like an athlete. You just need to move like someone who believes tomorrow can be better than yesterday. And science says it absolutely can. Many older adults say it's too late or my body's not the same anymore. But Stanford University researchers have repeatedly proven that one of the biggest factors in aging is what they call self-perception of aging. That means if you believe your body is declining, your brain starts sending signals that make decline happen faster. But when you believe you can improve, your brain switches into repair mode. And when your brain shifts, everything shifts. Your joints loosen, your posture improves, your energy rises, and your body's ability to heal increases dramatically. This isn't wishful thinking. This is neuroscience. From today forward, you're going to start your mornings differently. You're going to wake your body up with intention. You're going to nourish it with smart choices. Harvard School of Public Health confirms that anti-inflammatory foods like berries, olive oil, walnuts, green tea, and leafy greens aren't just healthy. They help reduce joint pain, protect your heart, boost your memory, and slow down cellular aging. These foods don't just fuel you. They fortify you. Most people think exercise after 60 means lifting heavy weights or doing intense workouts. But experts at Duke University's Center for Aging say the opposite. They found that light functional movement, things like controlled rotations, gentle stretches, and slow mobility work is the most effective way for older adults to reduce stiffness, regain balance, improve circulation, and stay active for decades longer. When you move your body the way it was designed to move, it responds with gratitude. Your joints release tension. Your muscles wake up. Your blood flow increases. Pain decreases. Hope increases. Mayo Clinic geriatric specialist Dr. Robert Butler famously said, "Movement is medicine for older adults." And he meant it literally. Every time you move, your body produces synovial fluid that lubricates your joints. Every time you breathe deeply while moving, your body delivers oxygen to tissues that have been starved of it for years. Every time you stretch, you signal your muscles to soften instead of tighten. You're not just exercising. You're giving your body the medicine it was always meant to receive, but physical movement is only half the story. The real transformation begins in your mindset. You've probably noticed how some people look drained at 60, while others look vibrant at 80. Stanford studies show that the biggest difference isn't genetics, it's belief. People who see themselves as capable, strong, and youthful actually develop stronger immune systems, faster recovery, better mobility, and lower inflammation. Your body listens to the way you talk to yourself. And starting now, you're going to talk to yourself like someone who isn't done living, someone who's just getting started. You're also going to develop small daily habits that make a massive impact. For example, drinking water first thing in the morning. The National Institutes of Health reports that hydration alone can reduce fatigue in older adults by nearly 40%, or reducing excess salt at dinner. According to Cleveland Clinic, lowering sodium can dramatically reduce joint swelling and stiffness. These habits may seem small, but the results are enormous. The fact that you clicked on this video says something powerful about you. It means you haven't given up. It means part of you still believes there's more strength inside you, more life ahead of you, and more potential waiting to be unlocked. And you're right. Harvard anthropologist Dr. Daniel Lieberman says the human body was designed to move and stay functional not just until middle age, but well into the later decades of life. Your body isn't built to fade. It's built to adapt, rebuild, and rise again. Today is not just another day. It's the beginning of your comeback. A comeback in your energy, your confidence, your mobility, your mindset, and your overall health. I'm here to guide you, to push you, and to remind you of what your body is still capable of. And trust me, you are capable of far more than what you've been told. Just like the Japanese elders who stay active deep into old age, you too can move with strength, live with energy, and age with freedom. You deserve a life without fear of pain. You deserve a body that supports your dreams instead of limiting them. And you deserve a future that feels bigger, brighter, and younger than your past. This is your moment, and we're just getting started. As you move into this next chapter of your life, something incredible begins to happen when you commit to even the simplest habits that support your body. Doctors from the University of Michigan say that once a person over 60 trains their muscles and joints with gentle, consistent movements, the body begins to repair itself faster than it breaks down. That means you aren't just slowing aging, your body is literally becoming stronger from the inside out. And that's why I want you to hear me clearly. You are not too old, and it is not too late. Your body is still listening, still responding, still healing. You just have to give it the signals it's been waiting for. You see, according to Mayo Clinic orthopedic specialists, the number one issue adults face after 60 isn't weak muscles, it's underused muscles. Joints become stiff, not because of age, but because the tissues around them stop getting blood flow. But the moment you begin adding light mobility work, light stretches, or even slow standing movements, circulation increases, inflammation lowers, and your joints begin to glide again instead of grinding. This isn't theory. This isn't motivation just for the sake of feeling good. This is what real doctors are witnessing every single day in seniors who refuse to give up on themselves. And your mindset is a powerful part of that healing. Harvard researchers found that seniors who believe they can improve physically actually show measurable improvements in energy, mobility, and cellular repair. Think about that. Your beliefs can literally change your biology. So when you say, "I'm too old," your body listens. But when you say, "I'm not done yet," your body shifts into repair mode. Aging starts becoming something you influence, not something that controls you. So today, I want you to imagine this next phase of your life like a new beginning, not the closing chapters of a story, but the opening pages of a stronger, wiser, healthier version of you. Every time you eat something fresh like leafy greens, berries, nuts, fish, your cells get cleaner. Every time you stand up, stretch gently, or walk slowly around your home, your heart pumps stronger. Every time you take a deep breath and slow down your thoughts, your nervous system relaxes, your organs function better, and your muscles loosen. And here's something most people don't realize: you're never doing just one thing when you make a healthy choice. When you strengthen your legs, you strengthen your heart. When you stretch your back, you improve your lungs. When you walk, you help your brain stay sharp. When you drink enough water, you support your kidneys, your skin, your joints, and your digestion all at once. A small step creates a big ripple effect. Doctors at Johns Hopkins say even 10 minutes of simple movement each morning reduces stiffness, increases balance, and decreases the risk of falls by almost 30%. And when you pair that with a positive mindset, even a small one, your health improves even faster. You don't need heavy workouts. You don't need intense exercise routines. You just need light, consistent motion, the exact kind Japanese elders practice daily. They aren't aiming to be perfect. They're aiming to stay in motion. And motion is the secret. You deserve a body that supports you, a mind that encourages you, and a spirit that refuses to dim. That's why I want you to understand something powerful. You are rebuilding yourself right now. With every stretch, with every breath, with every healthy choice. Your joints are becoming smoother, your muscles are waking back up, your balance is getting stronger, your heart is working more efficiently, your brain is firing faster. These aren't wishes, these are medically proven processes your body begins as soon as you make even the smallest effort. And you don't have to be perfect, you don't have to do everything right. You just have to stay in motion and stay consistent. You just have to say, "I'm going to take care of myself today." That one decision will change how you age. That one decision could add years of mobility, independence, and joy to your life. And the best part? You can start at any age. Whether you're 60, 70, or even 80, your body still responds. So as you continue this journey, remember that health isn't something you chase. In desperation, it's something you build patiently, gently, one day at a time. And your body is right there with you, ready to grow stronger, ready to become more flexible, ready to support every goal you still carry in your heart. You are entering a season of renewal. A season where your health becomes your strength, not your weakness. A season where every morning movement you practice becomes a message to your body saying, "I'm still here. I'm still fighting. I'm still choosing myself." And when you make that choice daily, your body rewards you with energy, mobility, confidence, and a sense of youthfulness you may have forgotten you could feel. This is your turning point. This is where your story gets better. This is where you rise, not because someone else believes in you, but because you finally believe in yourself again. And once that belief returns, there is nothing, truly nothing, that can stop your healing. Now, as you reach this final part of your journey, I want you to understand something that doctors at Stanford and the Cleveland Clinic repeat over and over again. The human body is far more adaptable than people think, especially after 60. Your muscles may not be as large as they once were, but they are still capable of growing. Your joints may feel stiff, but they are still capable of becoming smooth and flexible again. Your energy may feel low, but your cells are still capable of producing more power the moment you challenge them gently and consistently. Your age does not remove your ability to improve, it only removes your ability to waste time, and that's why today matters. Many seniors believe pain is a life sentence, but according to orthopedic specialists from Harvard Medical School, most age-related pain is the result of inactivity, not permanent damage. When joints stop moving, lubrication decreases, inflammation rises, and stiffness spreads. But as soon as you start giving your body regular mobility, simple movements, light stretches, slow control exercises, the joints begin to relubricate, cartilage gets more nutrients, and pain starts to fade. It's the same reason Japanese elders in their 70s, 80s, and even 90s stay active. They move not because they are pain-free. They are pain-free because they move. And I want you to think about what that means for you. Every step you take, every healthy meal you choose, every moment you decide to take care of yourself sends a message to your body that says, keep going. I'm not done yet. Your body reacts to that message. Your muscles activate. Your joints open. Your heart strengthens. Your brain becomes sharper, and your mood shifts from frustration to power. Doctors at the University of California found that seniors who adopt even one new healthy habit experience measurable improvements in balance, coordination, and emotional well-being within weeks, not years. Weeks. So, when you start your mornings with simple moves that restore your joint, you're doing more than exercising. You're signaling your body to reset. When you include foods like salmon, blueberries, avocados, or walnuts, your cells begin repairing oxidative damage linked to aging. When you take a few minutes to breathe deeply or practice slow control motion, your nervous system calms down and inflammation decreases. These changes may feel small, but they create a chain reaction that transforms your entire body. You are not trying to become younger. You are trying to become stronger, more capable, more independent, and more alive than many people your age ever believe is possible. And the truth is, most people give up on themselves far too early. But you're different. You're here because there is still more life inside you. There are still mornings you want to wake up feeling proud of yourself. There are still memories you want to make. There are still years left that deserve your best health, not your leftover energy. And this is where your mindset becomes your greatest medicine. Studies from Yale University found that seniors with a positive belief about aging live, on average, 7.5 years longer than those with a negative belief. That means positivity isn't just good for the soul, it literally extends your life. And when that mindset is combined with even the simplest exercise routine, your health rises faster than most people imagine. You may not notice change in one day, but your body notices you. Your cells listen. Your joints respond. Your muscles wake up. Your heart strengthens. Your brain begins clearing fog. Every good choice compounds. Every morning move becomes an investment. Every healthy meal becomes fuel. Every moment you choose self-respect becomes a step toward a future where you live with pride instead of regret. And here's what I want you to remember. You are allowed to start slow. You are allowed to take breaks. You are allowed to feel tired sometimes. You are allowed to be human. But you are not allowed to give up on yourself. Not now, not this time, not after everything you've lived through to get here. You have survived too much, learned too much, and overcome too much to stop caring about your health now. This chapter of your life can be your strongest chapter if you let it. The chapter where you break the expectations society placed on you. The chapter where you redefine what 60, 70, or even 80 looks like. The chapter where you take control, take responsibility, and take pride in the body you are rebuilding day by day. You are capable of more than you think. You are stronger than you realize, and your best years don't have to be behind you. They can be right here, right now, waiting for you to step into them with intention. Your body is ready. Your mind is ready. Your life is ready. Now it's your turn. Choose yourself today. Move gently, eat wisely, think positively, believe in your ability to improve, and give your future self the gift of a body that supports you, a mind that motivates you, and a spirit that refuses to dim. This is your moment. This is your comeback. And this is the day you rise stronger, calmer, and more alive than ever before.